Oh, hi! This is my usual posting date, but this is not my usual content. Uh, I tend, I have been avoiding political stuff for for quite some time. Preferring to use this channel for K-pop, which is something I like. Even adding a bit more of punk and rock and also talking about toys, something I really like as well. But it comes to a point that I guess I just have to say something that first I'd like to give my condolences to Kayu, Kamatis Analysis Unit, for losing the debate again. I feel your pain, losing your debate. And I'd like to congratulate Joey for winning the debate, for letting Kayu organize your points, and letting Kayu actually for letting Kayu spoon feed your points, to which you just kept saying yes. I'm sorry. Joey. You know, for someone who calls Caillou and the rest fanatics of Mr. Magalong or Mayor Magalong, it's just funny that for the whole debate you didn't know that Caillou was already laying everything out for you, and you just kept stepping on it. And then you had to do another live where you had to explain how Caillou was trying to dumb it down, when in fact he was actually dumbing it down for you. He didn't hit you that much by maybe actually just laying out just the point. And it was not, I even doubt it was a debate, because for the whole thing you basically just kept agreeing to what Caillou was saying. And in the end, it just got exposed that you're in it for the politics. It's not really for the truth. Because if truth is truth, then in any venue, that it's still gonna be the truth. But your point was you're gonna choose the venue which will work for you more, because you're just mad because the venue that you want is not the venue that Mayor Magalong would rather give the truth to. If anything, if you do not understand it until now, and if for anybody who can't understand it yet, Mayor Magalong is basically daring the House of Representatives to either accept what he's saying, or to accept that there's something wrong, or prove to the people that they are trying to protect someone. In essence, like what Caillou would always say, that for arguments you just get the strongest argument and break it from there, like Steelman. For anybody listening, if I'm saying it wrong, please correct me. But basically, what Mayor Magalong was actually daring the House of Representatives to do is to basically steel manning the whole process by targeting the HOR first. Because if you're going to if you're gonna do it in the HOR and present all your documents and all your truth, and then they start either blocking you, or they're gonna block you, or gonna hit you back, then it just proves to the people that they're not honest in their inquiry. Then you even made the example of Toby Tiangco. Well, That's the point. Toby Tiangco wanted to show the USB, wanted to show something. They stopped him. So he did it in the Senate. And that is just exactly what Mayor Magalong wanted to do. And I am not smart. I mean, God, everybody knows I'm not that smart. And it was that simple. You kept using Toby Tiangco as an example of how the HOR would act, but that's exactly what Mayor Magalong wants them to do if they were not honest. That's the simple point of this. And you getting mad about it and you telling Caio that there's a difference between Senator Lacson and Senator Marcoleta with regards to the truth is just shows that you just wanted the truth out for Marcoleta. It's not that hard to understand, and that's coming from me already. That's already coming from me. So here you are getting mad at Magalong, saying that he might have ambitions or not. But in the end, what's the point? What you want is actually, you just want Magalong to speak in Marcoleta's space for what? The truth is still there. And guess what? Now Mayor Magalong is now filing charges. So he didn't need that truth. He actually did it already. He even put it one step further and didn't even go to the HOR. So who has the ambitions now? So you just wanted to have it Marcoleta. But what if Marcoleta just had that hearing and it's done and he already got replaced? What if Magalong went there earlier? Would it have changed anything? Then here you are now demonizing Vico. I'm not defending Vico, but then again, I guess I would understand if he was going against after the Discayas. But guess what? The Discayas were in Pasig. I'm not sure if he would know the other contractors. But the thing is, the anomalies he found were against the Discayas and in Pasig. Yes, it could be self-serving at he's hitting on the Discayas. But then again, it was in Pasig. The Discayas were in Pasig. So what? So you're gonna attack them then again? But what about you? Okay, I won't do the whataboutism anymore, since I guess because you're gonna say, oh, the Dutertes with the results. Well, Mayor Magalong is the result. Now they filed charges. So what about the rest? He now filed these charges. Results, right? You want results, so here's the results. Results, right? There you go. Then here you go talking about it. The thing is, if you spend too much time with whiners, bringing up them and whining, I guess it's time you start dealing with. Talk about strategy instead. That time when you brought up Caio talking about when you started with talking about Gabe. That's a lot more stimulating rather than having people bring up, oh, because he's sad, I don't feel bad anymore. I feel so bad with the thing with it. Well, that's your platform, that's your content. But then again, dealing with Caio, and then you talk about, oh, wag puro logic, politika din. Politics without logic is just like what they said. Politics without logic is just propaganda. So what are you saying? What are you doing? So there's nothing different between you, Boljaquera, and Anticlair, because Boljaquera is there to spread rumors. Anticlair is just to spread anti PRRD hate. Anti-PRRD topics. While you're just gonna be talking about PRRD and talk about and think everybody else has their own agenda. Well, guess what? They did it. Mayor Magalong already filed charges. Results. You want results, right? Results here. Results. without even having to talk to Marcoleta. And to also add, he would start with the HOR and then he goes to the Senate, where he actually has even more allies, because you know what? Senator Lacson gave gave additional information to Mayor Magalong. That's even friendlier. So you want him to be friendly with just with Marcoleta and not with Lacson. They'll do the same thing. They'll do different things, but it's still the truth. Right? So again, congratulations, Joey, for winning this debate. Wow! Congratulations, Joey, for winning this debate. Caillou, my condolences for losing again, you know. You have been in a losing streak. Wow, I'm sorry that you're having this losing streak. But you know, you'll do next time, you know, you'll win. Just wait, you know, soon you'll be winning. And soon, hopefully you win. But congratulations, you know, congratulations. Congratulations, Joey, you know, Caillou, better luck next time.